Hi everyone, welcome back. We're taking a look at how to set up a campaign for catalog sales objective, and in this video we're taking a look at the ad level. And first what I'm going to do, actually what I already did, is was to give a name to my ad, and that is catalog ad for my Shopify store. Then I can choose from which Facebook page I want to run these ads, and from which Instagram account I want to run these ads. So after that, if I'm of course running ads on Instagram, and then I can choose the format. In my case it would be carousel, but you can also choose single image or collection. To be honest, collection seems the best for me, but it takes more time and you need to do a template and so on. Carousel is something that is most often used in this type of objectives. And below I have add creative part, where I can customize a bit on what I'm going to show to my audience. So I have two options to choose: multiple products or product categories. In this case, since I'm only publishing 4 products and so on, I will use multiple products. I don't have that many categories and so on, but if you have a larger base of products that you're offering, maybe you will find the second option to be better. Now when it comes to catalog, here you have option to add the intro card, map card or profile card. Intro card would be at the first card at the beginning, where you can put a video or an image of your brand or something like that. Map card is necessary for the location if you want to include it, and of course profile card is like your logo, which will go to the last card with your logo and some additional links and so on. Next we come to the options for catalog cards, whether you want to have single image or slideshow. Slideshow basically means that you will make a looping video of images that you have, but in order to do so you need to have multiple images per item, and currently I only have one image for each item, so I'm not able to do that. What I can do here is customize my images, and I can add certain things on them. For example, here I can add the price, and I can also customize these things a bit, so I can have different shape, different font, different colors, and I can put it to be transparent, and I can even change the location, so maybe put it to be in the right corner instead of the left corner. And not just for price, you can do it for percentage off, free shipping, and other things. Okay, when you're done you just press done or save, and head on to next things. So you have here a headline, and that is the headline for each article, for each item, and you can also customize those things. So let's say that I want to include the name. Since I have 4 different products, I can put it to be like maybe check out, and then include the name of the product, so you can see how it looks. So check out Thermopolis plus hoodie. Okay, same thing for the description. For I can include well, let's say that I also want to include the price into the description, so I can include price, and I can say, for example, only and the number. Okay, so don't get confused for when it comes to those numbers, because they're not in the euro or dollar currency, so it's other currency, so that's why they look so big. Anyway, you can play with those things. You can add your own text, which will be the same for all cards, or you can customize it and so on. That's the great thing. Primary text, that is the text that is going here above in the description. So I can actually include the name of my store, and I can write best offers. Oh, sorry, I included the product name. I wanted to include the brand. So let me just see whether this will work. Okay, yeah, I can put it to be like that. Okay, and when it comes to the URL, this is the see more URL. I can basically copy the link of my my store here, so I can just take it from this link because this is a mandatory part, and put it here. Also, you can go with deeper links for each product and so on, and later on you can choose the call to action button. So whether you want to be shop now or open link or sign up, depends on what you're offering. Okay, you have more options for different links, the ones that the link that you want to show in your last card, deep link to a website. You can also customize it here, and so on. The thing you can see here are previews for different platforms. I suggest that you take a good look there, so you can see how those products will show up, and if something is wrong, then you can edit it in the right moment. Basically, above you only have you're only left with languages and with tracking. This is the important part. You need to activate your pixel here. If you have several of them, I will now use the one that I set up at the beginning, so my Shopify store pixel. And after that, I would just go to confirm. If there are any problems, any mistakes, Facebook will let me know that. It won't start running ads before I fix that, so that's a good thing about Facebook's ads manager. And yeah, if it's okay, then it will start running and I will be able to see my results and analytics in the ads manager. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the following videos.